Hi, my name is Parker Bierman, and today I'm going to be showing you a forest vlog. This is my first one, and so I'm in a forest where I live with my mom's part of the family, and this forest belongs to my neighbor, and he's really nice, and he lets me explore it. And whoa. Keeper could have gotten that, but good thing she didn't. She would have killed it. So here, normally, well, if you can't see right now, this water is actually clear, not clearest water I've ever seen. Not like the Clear Lakes. And I'd say I would not drink from this if I were a human, because you would get parasites. I've seen leeches in here, many things. Alright, so, and I actually, a couple days ago, I relocated at least 14 American toads into this forest, and a southern leopard frog. We're in Clear Lake, Iowa right now, and this is a really cool place. Normally it's not that clear. It changes dark, but it's probably due to the amount of disruption to the mud, to the bottom of it. So far I was talking with American toads and chorus frogs, boreal chorus frogs. I heard them doing their calls, and I was doing the calls back. It's really cool. There's an old dock that used to be put together, so I'm guessing this would have been deeper than this. And I don't know why there was a dock here. I don't know why anyone goes swimming in that. But hey, it's their choice, their decision. So we're gonna follow this path. This is a really, really, really healthy forest. You see how all the trees aren't as dark wood. Dark wood means it's a polluted forest. This forest seems to be clean. Very, very healthy. This is actually where I buried a Pac-Man frog that I used to have. A Pac-Man frog. Made a grave for him here. So if you have the afterlife, he can have it here. It could be a replica of the rainforest. This is really cool. The neighbor really takes care of this forest too. He mows part so it doesn't go overgrown. And this actually has been turning into a wetlands forest. Very, very, very lifeful. It's full of life. Birds everywhere. Hawks, mockingbirds, cardinals. I've seen all of it. I've seen crows. I've seen deer in here. I've seen a possum. I've seen raccoons. This is like a checkpoint for them, because there's other forests, smaller forests, because I think this is the biggest one near me so far. But it's just really, really beautiful. So right over here is a flooded path, and I already hear the frogs. You hear the one that sounds like the higher pitch, like the longer and the upward. That's a boreal chorus frog, and if you hear like a shorter burst, that's American toad. I don't know what Keeper's doing, but I wouldn't drink this because humans have gone so many years drinking water that's purified. Their bodies have lost their bacteria that breaks down bad bacteria. It kills it off. So if I were to drink that, I would have gotten sick. We're not right next to the interstate, which is really, I wish we were never by the interstate. It's a terrible place to put an interstate, because it can intervene with wildlife and all that, and it can ruin the circle of life, which is why I don't really like when people make factories and all that. It's terrible for the environment. So right here is a wetlands pond. This is normally flooded partially through spring And what is this here? What is this? I found some plastic. Oh, there it is. Looks like we'll have to climb through the water. I'm wearing slides. This is terrible. Don't want to get trench foot or ticks. Gotta check for ticks when I get home. But this place, right? I think there's like a blue jay. But there's a whole bunch of different spiders. There's a lot of moss growing here, a lot of cool grass. So Rich actually built him a shed over here. I think that's where it has like family that he can get some hay, because he has a little field out there, which is kind of terrifying for the frogs. But somewhere over there, right there, there's a blue jay. It's dumb how bad the camera quality is of if you can see that. I think he flew away. Yeah, he flew away. It's really liveful. It's like a miniature it's like a miniature rainforest. Yes, I'm wearing long sweatpants because I don't want anything on me. But look how liveful this place is. I actually thought it was going to be a bad year this summer. I thought it was going to be bad growing because it was cold for a lot of May. Then it started getting warm. Now it's 70s. The coldest it gets so far is the 40s, but that won't hurt anything really. Here's the first little pond. It's like a gather water, because sometimes it will go up, then suddenly when it gets in the drier season in the summer, more of the later mid-summer, it will all go down because it won't rain as much. It will still rain, but that's just the circle of life in Iowa. It's really wet in April, rains a lot, and I hope we can find a toad over here. Here's the second little pond area. It's really cool. This place is very liveful. We hope to buy this land after him because there's Keeper. Very, very wet today. Well, actually, right here is where I buried my frog. Something's been tampering with the grave. Yeah, I planted like seeds in there. And actually, there's a third pond. There's the blue jay. I wish I had like a... Look how beautiful that place is. I hope we can also buy some farmland, which we can actually take out the tile on the bottom of the farmland, and we can actually plant more trees and more bush to increase the. Well, if you see that these burned, it's because these trees were dying and he had to burn them to get them down. He's getting really, the neighbor, but he's really nice, really nice. He invited us over to different places. Really beautiful place. Very, very good environment for a frog. Very good environment for mammals, insects. Very lush, very beautiful, peaceful. The only thing that's not peaceful is the interstate, which is, maybe we can find some toads over here. Let's actually try and lift under a. Let's see if we can lift this. We're not going to be able to lift that. That's a tree. Maybe it's dead and hollow. Actually. Here we go. Nope. That's not going anywhere. It's cool though. It acts as a center of protection for frogs. Here's a cool little stream area. Looks like it's building into a stream. Very healthy forest. I love this place. A lot of spiders on the ground. Little, I don't know what they are. Wolf spiders? I don't know if I think they get bigger than that. So, this is a really cool place. Alright. Okay, I think I'm going to end the first little thing here. There's a lot to it, but this forest doesn't really have any other things to really show you. And, well, just for my first video, I don't think I did half bad. Alright, see you all later. Whoever watches this, or whoever's watching this, thank you for watching, and goodbye.